Good morning, gentlemen. Steve Beeson here with American Ironworks. This morning we are going to show how to install our quick check cable choker. This is our CC 9/16 offset, and we have the quick check links in this area right here. This particular device can be installed without tools, or without unbolting a hobble clamp or taking your hose off. It can be installed with the hose on the top drive. Mr. Oscar, show us how that works. Just come underneath, slide it right inside your slot. Okay. Then just go underneath, through your slot. And then we will want to position this to where the short leg, if you'll notice, let me bring this over like this. On this deal here, we want our short leg to be a minimum of 10 inches, and this here is going to be at 22 inches. So this leg right here will be 10 inches. This leg right here will be 22 inches. We have a 1 foot offset on those. We'll just slide that on up here until we get it positioned. Then we'll move that short side. Go ahead and move your short side up here, gentlemen, to right here. There you go. Again, we'll always want the short leg, gentlemen. We wanted a minimum of 10 inches from here to here. And then this leg here is made 12 inches longer, so it would be 22 inches right up here. Oscar, go ahead and move that up to 22 if you would. And then if you would, gentlemen, just take your anchor point here that's going to come up, and when you pull it, just make sure that your cable has the same amount of tension. But with this particular device here, you can install it on a hose without disconnecting your hose. Works similar to the cable choker, but with the cable choker, it has the loops on it to where you have to slide it over the end here. To where this is just one more product that we have that may be useful. Okay, now that we've shown that the quick check will pull 16,000 without sliding any at all, you can see where it dug in here on the hose. And again, to kind of recap what we're doing here, we put a hobble clamp in this area right here, and it pulled around 12,800 pounds before it started sliding along the hose. We're demonstrating this morning how the quick check will bite into the hose, and you can see right here where the cable pulls in. And the quick check and also the cable choker has the ability to squeeze in on the hose, which is it's a great benefit with some of the thinner wall hoses. So I got a little chicken in me yesterday when we did the 16,000 pound test, and I'm going to go ahead and close my guard this morning and pull it to break, and we'll see what this double 9/16 here will pull to. Let's make a little noise. 28, 29, 30,000, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40,000. Okay, our ram bottomed out, but I'd like to show you some deflection. We pulled 40,000 without the cable breaking, and look at how hard it pulled in on that hose. I'm going to go ahead and try to open up my guard here, but both cables did not slide any at all. Look at my anchoring clamp right here, the deflection in it. A lot of load on that. That's 40,000 pounds. But this here is what's the amazing part. Look how tight it pulled in on that hose. And we pulled 40,000 without fail. So I'm going to slack off just a little bit here. Again, the peak load, 40,110 without fail. quite a load on it. That hose is really started out with a 5-inch OD. I'm going to say it's probably 3.5. But this portion right here is what's important, is the gripping ability. And again, the quick check, we sell more of just the looped cable chokers, but the quick check can be installed without disconnecting the hose. So if you have an emergency situation where you need to install a securement on your Kelly hose, but you can't shut down mud operations, you can install this particular device here without disconnecting the hose. Pretty good test.